A physiological sigh is a deep breath that serves an important biological function. Unlike a normal breath, which only involves the upper lungs, a physiological sigh draws in air all the way to the bottom of the lungs. This type of breath helps to regulate the levels of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the body. When we're stressed or anxious, we tend to breathe more shallowly, which can upset this balance. A physiological sigh helps to restore it. Research shows physiological sighs have benefits for our mental and emotional well-being. They help to stimulate the release of certain neurotransmitters in the brain, such as dopamine and serotonin, which can help to improve mood and reduce anxiety. Our bodies have built-in mechanisms to help us maintain physical and emotional balance. Physiological sigh is one example of this. Highlights the intricate connections between our breath, our bodies, and our minds. Share this with all your friends so it won't be so lonely when you reach the top.